what is a data type? In SQL, data types defines the types of data that can be stored in a database table column. They specify the range of values that can be stored, the size of the data, and how the data is interpreted. The following are the basic data types in SQL. We have varchar. So varchar data type stores variable length character strings. This means that the storage space allocated for each string is determined by the actual length of the string. For example, a column underscore name varchar 10. The column will reserve storage for the number of character it contains. If we provide a value, for example hello, it will only reserve 5 character space and reallocate the rest. That means even if we have defined the column with 10 character, it will only take 5 character of space and reallocate the rest 5 character space. Next is character. It stores fixed length character string. The character data types holds a string of character of a fixed length. The specified length is the exact number of characters it will be stored in the column. So let's discuss this with an example. Suppose we have defined a column with 10, and if I am providing hello as input, it will use 10 character space even though we are providing an input of 5 character string, which is hello. The next comes numeric, where we need to provide or we need to define the precision and scale. It stores the numeric value with a certain precision and scale. Numeric data types holds a decimal number with a specified precision and scale. The precision specifies the total number of digits, including both the integer part and the fractional part. The scale specifies the number of digits after the decimal part. So let's check the syntax, how we need to define the numeric data type. So here you can see we are providing order underscore total, which is the column name, and the data type will be numeric, and in bracket we are providing 10, 2, which is precision and scale. The next comes integer. Integer data type stores whole number. It can store positive and negative numbers, and it can store 0 as well. So the next is date data type. It stores a date without any time information such as hours, minutes or second. Syntax wise, to define a date data type will be order underscore date, and we need to provide date is the data type. So time is also a different data type, where it stores the time of the day without any date information such as year, month or day. The syntax to define time data type will be appointment underscore time is the column name and time is the data type. So the next comes timestamp. It stores dates and time with a time zone information. Timestamp data type stores a date with time with a time zone. The syntax will be transaction underscore date and the data type will be timestamp. The next comes blob data type. It stores large binary objects. The blob data type stores a large amount of binary data such as images, videos or audio files. The example to create blob data type syntax will be we need to provide image underscore file with a blob data type. In addition to the basic data types, SQL also supports user-defined data types which are created by database administrator. This data type can be used to store more complex data structures such as arrays, records or sets. I hope you are clear now what is a data type and how we define data types depends upon our uses.
If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Schema for more such informative topics. Thank you.